So some time ago, I did a video on Clinic Clear lotion where I share with you guys how it works, how you should use it, and the side effects of the lotion. If you have not watched that video, I'll plead with you to kind of go to my YouTube channel and watch the secret of Clinic Clear lotion. Okay, but in today's video, I'm going to share with you my honest review on Clinic Clear cocoa butter lotion. This is one of the best selling lotion on the market in Africa. A lot of people in Africa has been using this lotion. Okay, so does this lotion really clears dark spots on the skin? Does it really brings out your natural glow? And does it bleach the skin? Is it safe for people to use this lotion? And does it damage the skin? In this video, I'm going to review the ingredients that I use to formulate this body lotion. Okay, I'm going to share with you the type of skin types that are supposed to use this lotion. I'll go ahead and share with you guys how you should use this body lotion very well so that you don't have any side effects of using it. And I'll share with you the deep side effects of using this body lotion alone. Beautiful people, watch this video till the end. So this is how Clinic Clear Cocoa Butter Body Lotion is, okay? And when you get it, you could see on it that it whitening the skin. It's whitening the skin. It is written on the bottle. Okay, and the ingredients that I use to formulate this lotion are a coconut oil, vitamin E, vitamin C, a mineral oil, a petroleum jelly, stearic acid, hydroquine, and kojic acid. So this is how the bottle looks like, and it is well packaged. Okay, so let's open it and see how it is. It is made with cocoa as well, and let's see. This is H. I'm trying to open it to see how it is in the container. Yay, I have finally opened it. So this is how the lotion looks like. Okay, this is how it is on my skin. Let's look at the scent. Anyways, it smells nice because of the fragrance inside. Take note, this lotion involves hydroquine, okay, and it involves a kojic acid, and it's not recommended for all skin type. Okay, a normal skin person can use it, but you have to use it very well, or you have to use it with wisdom. Okay, a dry skin person can use it. Okay, a combination skin person can use it, but it's not recommended for an oily skin person and a sensitive skin person. Okay, it's a very strong whitening lotion which a dark skin person cannot also use it. People with a light skin can use it to be extra fairer, but they have to use it in such a way that they wouldn't have any skin problem like stretch marks, dark knuckles, white dots, green veins, or uneven tone. Okay, they have to use it very well. But then let's look at the reason why you should use this body product or this Clinic Clear cocoa butter lotion. One, it's brightening the skin. It's brightening the skin so quick, okay, and it's lightening the skin as well. It makes the skin so smooth and soft. In fact, when I applied it on the skin, it has made my skin very smooth. But I don't like the scent because of the hydroquine inside. It has some kind of weird scent, and moreover, this is how the texture is. It does not contain enough oil. Okay, so sometimes if you are a dry skin person and you apply it on the skin, you wouldn't feel anything like you have applied a body lotion on your skin or a body cream on your skin because the oil inside is not enough. This is how it is. And this, I don't like the scent because it smells weird because of the hydroquine inside. It's a very strong lotion. Okay, it's whitening the skin, it's brightening the skin, it lightens the skin, it makes the skin smooth though, and it makes the skin very soft. This is how you are supposed to use it. I said it earlier on that it's not recommended for a sensitive skin person. It's not recommended for an oily skin person. And even if you are a normal skin person and you are using it, make sure you add a baby oil or a very nice oil to bring down the hydroquin inside. Okay, don't use the lotion raw on the skin. You will damage your skin. Okay, you are supposed to use it morning and evening. If you are using it during the daytime, let me put it this way. If you are using it during the daytime and you expose the body under the sun, you will end up having dark knuckles. Okay, so you must use it only at night. Hey, I can feel some burns on my skin after using it because it has lasts like 3 to 4 minutes on my skin right now, and I'm feeling a bit burns on my skin because of the hydroquin inside. I have a very sensitive skin. Sorry, I have a very sensitive skin, so I can feel some kind of burns on my skin. Yeah, so you should make sure you mix it with an oil before using it on the skin. Okay, don't just apply the lotion direct on the skin. Because of the hydroquin inside, you might end up damaging the skin. And please use it only at night. If you want to use it morning and evening, or you want to use it during the daytime, make sure you get a sunscreen before using it on the skin, and don't expose the body under the sun when you are using it. Okay, if you have a dry skin or a tough skin, you can exfoliate the skin first by using a very nice body scrub before applying the lotion on the skin, and mix it very well with an oil because it does not contain enough oil in it. Okay, and it's not recommended for a dark skin person. It's not recommended for a caramel skin person, even though cocoa butter is written on it, but it's a whitening body lotion. It's a lightening body lotion. So if you are a dark skin person and you use it, you end up having dark knuckles, you end up having stretch marks, you end up having green veins. I'm stating the side effect of using it. If you are a dark skin person, you end up having white dots on the skin, dark spots on the skin, green veins on the skin, stretch marks, and you end up having uneven tone. Okay, so this is the side effect of using this lotion. It burns the skin as I'm feeling it right now. It gives stretch marks on the skin when you use it alone without adding any oil to it. And it gives dark knuckles. Okay, it gives white dot on the skin. It gives green veins, and it's not advisable to use it on the face. Okay, do not apply this lotion on the face, even if you mix it with a body oil, a baby oil, a moisturizer or whatever. Do not use it on your face. You end up damaging the face. The face is very sensitive, so make sure you get a very good product to use on the face. Clinic Clear cocoa butter lotion brighten the skin, it lightens the skin, it makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft, it nourishes the skin, and it also makes the skin very smooth and soft. Okay, if you have ever used this body lotion, leave your experience under the video. You can share your testimony with us or with me. And if you want to know more inquiries about this body lotion, you can send us a WhatsApp message by using the WhatsApp link in my bio. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime I share reviews on skincare products here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. And please, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you a lot. I want to share with you guys some products from Latini skincare. Latini skincare is one of the best brand that formulate healthy skincare product. We have so many luxurious skincare soap, skincare lotion, body oil, glowing oil, stretch marks products, face clear products, glow young facial products, and we have good serums that you can use to treat green veins on your skin. We have a product for dark skin and a caramel skin people. We have a product for light skin people. We have a product for people who want to be extra fairer. We have a product for people who have used a cream that has damaged their skin, or people with a dull skin, or people with uneven tone skin. We have a product for people battling with severe stretch marks all over their skin. We have a product for people with severe facial problems like dark spots, sunburn, pimples, wrinkles, and so on. Okay, and we also have good body serum for glowing the skin, for nourishing the skin, for moisturizing the skin, and also making the skin very, very smooth. People have used it and they have recommended a lot of people to us. If you want to know more about Latini skincare, you can go into my bio, or you can search Latini skincare on Instagram. You can search Latini skincare on Facebook. You can search Latini skincare on TikTok. And also, if you want to get in touch with us one on one to share your problems or your skin problems with us, you can use the link in my bio, or you can WhatsApp us, or you can WhatsApp Latini on 027 159 4053. Please, the best thing is check on our Instagram page and see the reviews and the testimony yourselves. Please, we ship to all nationwide. No matter where you are, distance is not a barrier. I really appreciate you guys, and remember to glow natural with Latini. Have a nice day and stay blessed. Bye bye.